Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you and your families are keeping well. I am delighted to have the opportunity to open today's Global BIM Summit, the first global event of its kind, and to celebrate with you the launch of the Global BIM Network. This event provides an excellent forum for discussion of the national and regional BIM initiatives that are accelerating the digital transformation of the construction sector. And of course, today's launch builds on an existing foundation of successful collaborations between governments and regional public sector communities around the world, which are driving better public sector decision-making through building information modelling. I am encouraged by the shared vision which has brought you here to foster a more efficient, more productive and better performing global construction sector through increased digitisation. This is a propitious moment to speed up pursuit of that common goal. As you well know, governments across the world are hard at work identifying ways to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic crisis and to rebuild national and global economies. And the UK is no exception. Since the earliest days of the COVID-19 crisis, we have been clear that we would not return to the status quo in the aftermath of the pandemic. On the contrary, we are committed to a vision of building back better, greener, faster and fairer, seizing the initiative to level up our country, create equality of opportunity and ensure that no place is left behind. Aspirations that I know every country represented at today's summit shares, and aspirations that we cannot deliver without BIM. As one of the truly global industries, the construction sector has a vital role to play in achieving this vision. In the UK, the sector is an economic engine, driving enormous benefits for people and places. In 2018, it had a turnover of £403 billion, accounting for 9% of the UK economy and employing 3.1 million people. That is very big, but of course it's not just the numbers that matter. The construction sector affects the lives of everyone in the UK, encompassing individual homes in remote rural areas, the densely built streets in our vast urban centres, and some of the great infrastructure projects of our generation across the country. Better, greener, fairer recovery that we want to see means thinking longer term and changing how we plan, design and deliver new projects in every corner of the UK for the benefit of everyone. Digital and off-site manufacturing technologies, such as BIM, will unlock the economic forces that increase job opportunities for individuals, unleash prosperity for all communities, and enable recovery from the economic impacts of COVID-19. And such a new approach is also vital if we are to achieve our legislative commitment to become a net zero nation by 2050. Better, more resilient infrastructure delivered through digitising construction will drive the improved performance of built assets and minimise the impacts of climate change. And more efficient information management delivered through BIM will also help to minimise waste, reducing the current volume of approximately 120 million tonnes a year produced by construction, demolition and excavation, accounting for nearly 60% of all UK waste. Delivering this will require us to collaborate across government and industry and to share best practices more widely than that. The launch of the Global BIM Network will facilitate this process, bringing together policymakers from across the globe to address the digital capability of governments in delivering infrastructure that supports COVID-19 recovery, achieves net zero ambitions, and improves prosperity for all people and places. Thank you, and I wish you an enjoyable and productive summit.